Alright, boys, the penguin event is here. The frost thingy, the invasion, the penguin invasion. Basically, we gotta destroy all the penguins. This should be easy. Yeah, easy for you to say. They also added emotes to the game, so you can Fortnite on people. So yeah, I guess that's pretty sick. I wish they were a little bit more creative. But yeah, penguins have been spotted. Now we have to kill the penguins. You know, just how we do it on Killshare Gaming on TV. Kill the penguins. Then we emote with that brand new penguin emote that looks kind of fire by participating in the event. I played this a couple times. The penguin invasion is pretty hard though because, you know, there's some big boy penguins that kill you. And they have auto bridging, and they have like 10 teams to their name because they use 10 different types of blocks. Literally, short do 18 damage. I think I've realized. Yeah, short penguins are pretty easy, but like big. No. I was about to say something. Fine, big daddies. Oh my god, I said it. Hopefully that wasn't like really bad. Alright, 4 more iron until I can grab myself a sword. And I want the badge for this so badly. And there's also an emote you can grab for this. It's like the disco penguin thing. Disco break! Sorry, I'm not doing that. Alright, look how fast that evil penguin is auto-bridging. Oh my god, I'm getting rushed by 20 penguins. And they do like so little damage, but if there's a lot of them crowded upon you, it can be bad. I'm just gonna sprint away for now. Like, look at these penguins' auto-bridging skills. Like, look at the penguin. Look at that! He's hacking! Oh, shoot. I'm gonna die. Also, how do you use, like, oh, God! Tall penguins incoming! Yeah, some tall boys. Tall people. Oh, God. Kill the penguins! My HP. This is, like, the problem with Skywars. My HP is not generating too fast. I need to grab that fishing rod thingy. Small penguins are easy. Yeah, you can. Oh, but big boy penguins. Oh gosh. Big boy penguin. He does 30 damage. So like, it's not even that easy. Dude, stop luring him into the generator. I'm trying to grab iron. Don't come after me. Don't come after me. Yeah, go after him, please. Stop luring him into me. I'm gonna destroy whoever's doing that. Give me, okay, I have the iron for a fish. Stop, I'm trying to get a fishing rod. These penguins. I cannot escape the penguins. It's literally so funny. I'm getting destroyed by penguins right now. I want to get the stupid fishing pole thingy, fishing rod, whatever it's called. But I'm getting destroyed by penguins. And then I think there's a king penguin at the end. I'm not even sure. Hard. Yeah, it is hard. Why did I grab armor? I should have just grabbed the fishing pole. Alright, I'm going for it. E is to open shop. E? No, that was inventory. Yeah, Penguin King, send the bombs. Yeah, now it's going to be worse because now TNT will just randomly spawn. Oh gosh, see, there's the TNT right there. Bro, I'm about to die. I'm at 0 HP. Yeah, I'm dead. I'm literally just dead. I'm literally dead. Like, I'm literally dead because I have 0 HP, but I'm somehow not dead. Are they still chasing me? These tryhards are still building to me. They're still, yeah, I'm dead anyways. Who cares? Kill me. Penguins win. This is like the most rigged game mode, honestly. But like, oh yeah, let's play again. No, I don't want to go to lobby. I want to go. Penguin survival again. Don't teleport me to lobby, please. Searching. Come on. 9. Yes. Teleport me before it teleports me to lobby. Come on. Oh yeah, you have to survive 10 minutes to win. Next player is unknown. I could possibly agree with that one. Why isn't it void? Like, just why? It says teleporting the match. But I was about to say, but it's not teleporting me to the match. Yeah, these penguins look like they had too much Chipotle. That looks like me when I have too much Chipotle. Alright, yeah, this penguin invasion is hard. I'll do a video probably on how to like beat it once I actually do. I doubt I'm gonna beat it this video. Uh-oh! Bro, my ears hurt so much. Why would you have to scream? Yeah, they remove actual emotes from the game. Wait, no. They still have actual emotes, so you can actually still like emote. Like, okay, so they have Bedwars lazy emotes. Those are some lazy emotes. Then they actually kept the normal emotes from Roblox still in the game. Wow, that's epic. Of Bedwars. Bedwars is like the most epic game of all games. Bro, stop crowding around me, okay? I'm not that famous. I only have 200 subscribers. So look, we can Fortnite emote, and then we can do like crappy we can do animated emotes. Hint hint, Bedwars. Make animate. Okay, that's animated, but like it does that in a picture for everyone. You could at least do something creative like this. Rawr. Yeah, these are animated, like extremely animated Roblox emotes compared to poorly animated Bedwars emotes. I could probably make that if I really tried. Where's the penguin? 699. Shoot the penguin. Kill the penguin. I don't want to kill the penguin. You guys kill the penguin. Let me grab a fishing rod, and then I'll get blocks, and that's all I'm going to do for the entire of the game. Give me a sword. Give me blocks. Nice. Run, 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 run. Is there a penguin after me? There's not. Oh, five. Jump in the block. Let's go! Okay. Oh, I have to. Come on. Tell me I can make this. And fish. Yes. Okay, I'm fishing. What? What? These penguins are hacking. They're auto-bridging, and then they're destroying me. I'm getting destroyed by flipping penguins. What is this game? I don't know anymore. Oh, I thought I was going to like totally like lose that jump. And now tall penguins are coming. Great. No! What is this? How did he know I was behind a corner? Is he hacking? I've gotten 3,000 XP just by losing from this penguin thing. This is stupid. Alright, let's do this. Evil penguins are mean. I'll try one more round. But this is so hard. Like, how do you expect me to suck at Bedwars and then do a harder game mode? Like, it just doesn't make sense. Game. Why isn't it called match? Because it keeps saying teleport to match. I think they were copying from like Tower Defense Simulator. But like, who cares? Okay, let's try this again. Also, don't ask why I'm dressed up as an axolotl. Just like go with it, okay? Just random avatar for this video. Random avatar. Okay. Let's go. Iron generator. Nice avatar, bro. I like that head of yours. Oh. Who has that? I want to buy that. Oh, it's the first person. Hold on. Examine avatar. We have some time until the penguin. Toon link. Oh my god. Mini toon thingy. Where is macaroni fish? 75 Robux. How much will I have left? Nah, it's too expensive. I'm not gonna buy that. Almost 3,800 left. Let me grab my fishing rod. They need to nerf this, like, by a lot, because it's so hard. I want to see how many people actually have the badge. Like, at the end of this round, we'll see how many people actually have the badge. Alright, the penguins will never find me over here. Let me go fish. Also, protect the bed. I feel like whenever I die, the bed's not protected. It's a problem. Who cares about an ironfish anyways? I suck at this computer. Nice. Let's fish again. Just keep fishing, you know? Not gonna get anything good, but... Golden fish, golden fish, golden fish. I'm gonna get... Yeah, an ironfish. I was gonna say iron special, but... I'm too lazy just not to get it, which is an interesting thing to say. Because this fish sucks. It's useless. Oh my god, did I actually just fail that? Yeah, fish. Fish! Find me a golden fish. From Ice Cream 3. Iron fish! I don't want your stupid iron fish. I want a golden fish. The penguins are short of bread already. I'm getting ready for that. Yeah. Let's check and see how many people have the badge. God, I'm trying to leave this game. Finally, it worked. I was trying for like a minute. How do 12,000 people have the badge? Like, how do 12,000 people have the badge? Like, that's just insane. How do you get it? Like, how? Or if you guys have any strategies or want to do it with me, just tell me in the